On today's episode of Winging It with Huda, I'm going to show you another great idea for a quick, super quick and easy breakfast idea. Little spin on the toasty. We've all seen the beautiful toasties out there, bit gourmet, taking it the next level. Well, I'm jumping on the bandwagon and I'm going to show you guys how to incorporate some beautiful deli meats. I've got smoked turkey, which is going to be part of my savoury toasty, and then I'm going to candy some beef rashers to be part of my sweet toasty. Let's get started. I am going to start with a couple of slices of sourdough here. Alright, so very quick and easy. We want a little bit of butter. So with the butter, you want to have it a little bit on the inside, but mainly you want it on the outside to get that beautiful golden brown, caramelized, crunchy color on the outside. We're going to layer this. We're going to have a little bit of smoked turkey from Fettayleh. Delicious. You want it nice and meaty. Extra protein, never hurt anyone. To that, I'm going to add a tomato. So just slice the tomato. Just a few slices there. I want to add a little bit of Dijon mustard to this. Dijon adds that beautiful tanginess that goes well with turkey. So the cheese I'm using today, I like to change it up a bit. It's the Kasseri cheese. And for added freshness, you can use Dill. Today I'm using fennel fronds because that's what I have available. And you just want to take just the fronds and spread them all over. Close up the sandwich. That's how easy it is. Bit more butter on the outside. And then off to the toaster it goes. Press it down in the toaster so it gets that beautiful grill marks, and just leave it there for a few minutes until that cheese is nice and melty and you have a delicious toasty. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful golden brown it is, and that cheese has just melted. Yum. I'm going to cut that up and then we're going to make our dessert toast and then we're going to eat it all up. This next toasty is a little sweet and savoury number. I love the combination of sweet and savoury, and this is like a little dessert. Think cinnamon scrolls with candied Angus Beef Rashers. Yum, I can't wait to dig in. Let's make it. It's got a bit of cheese as well. It's gonna be sensational. Grab your 2 slices of bread and lather it with maybe a lot of butter. Sprinkle some ground cinnamon and sugar. Today I'm using Ambrosia or Ambrosia, however you'd like to pronounce it, cheese, which is a beautiful mild cheese. To go with that beautiful combination, I'm adding some candied beef rashers, and all I'm going to do to that is dice the beef rashers up, cook them off in a pan with a bit of maple syrup and let that just caramelize. And then once it's done, it's going to be nice and crunchy. Bit more butter on the outside. And then off to the toaster it goes. Another delicious toasty. Let's cut this baby up. Oh, I can smell the cinnamon. Okay. A few bits of red vein sorrel. Get that on the plate. This toasty, this one right here, is not for the faint-hearted. There's no diets with this one. It's sure to keep you satisfied though. What I'm going to add, just for added little luxury and decadence, is clotted cream. Get the rest of our candied Angus beef rashers. Oh my goodness. I reckon I might start with this sweet one first. Time to dig in, and I'm going to start with the dessert first because you know what? So tempting. Have a bit more cream.